Can I sue on behalf of my child if my child has a cerebral palsy diagnosis? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this really important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about that question. And that question is, as a parent, can you sue either the doctor or the hospital if your child has a cerebral palsy diagnosis and you're wondering, can you sue in the state of Maryland? The short answer is that yes, you can sue for your child's injury. Now, before I get into the analysis in cases like this, I want to back up and give you a little bit of a foundation. If you've had an opportunity to watch some of our videos, you know that in certain instances we will say, you know what, it might be in your best interest to go ahead and file a lawsuit on your own. In other words, for you to represent yourself. For example, if you want to get through the process really fast and you just don't really have time to be dealing with the lawyer and all of that, and let's say it's a car crash case and the insurance adjuster has given you what you think is a fair offer, then it may be in your best interest in that situation to go ahead and do the case on your own. But in medical malpractice cases, in my opinion, you should run these cases by an attorney. And the reason being is because there's a lot of work that has to go into these cases, and there's a lot of analysis that your attorney is going to go through. So back to that question of can you sue? Yes, you can. And to be able to be successful in Maryland, what will happen is your attorney will interview you and will look at the medical records and will get the records analyzed by another expert. And with all of this going on, that expert and your attorney's analysis, what they're going to be looking to see is whether the treating doctor fell below the standard of care in your child's situation, causing your baby's injury or causing the cerebral palsy diagnosis later down the line. That's essentially what your attorney and your attorney's experts are going to be doing. And once they can hammer that in, or if they find that yes, the doctor did fall below the standard of care, then that attorney will then talk with you about your options, about going forward with the lawsuit and things of that nature. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important topic? Because I'm trying to give you insight into this process. I'm trying to give you a peek in some of the analysis that has to take place when we have a child that is injured at birth. I'm trying to help you understand that standard of care issue, causation, and the damages, which is the harm done to your child. I'm trying to give you a good basic understanding of how some of this stuff works. If you would like to talk with me further about what happened during your child's birth, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action, and that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth injury and medical malpractice questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I am Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and I'll see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.